Hey folks, Tom Franiak here with Midwest Cabinets and Design, where quality and service always come first. I wanted to take a moment to share a feature in this kitchen that I'm in and show you something really, I think it's kind of cool. Not only because I invented it or thought of it, but I think it's a good way to go. You know, one of the problems that a lot of people have is the clutter of appliances all over their countertops. I mean, you've seen it where they've got the bread maker and the ice cream maker and the coffee pot and the Keurig and all this stuff out there, cluttering up the counters from one end to the other. And you have it out there because you want to use it. Well, hey, got a great idea for you. Hide it. Yep, I'm going to show you that right here. Look at. So this is a big center island in this kitchen, and I want to show you here. We've got this big drawer here with the smaller drawer below it. And if we go ahead and we open up this drawer, look at that. There's two appliances sitting in there. One of those appliances is a bread maker. The other one, ice cream maker. Two that we don't use all the time, but who doesn't like fresh baked bread and fresh ice cream? And I want to show you down in here, not only that, I want to show you something really cool. Look at this right here. It's a cord. It's a cord because it's plugged in. It's ready to go. So what do? You just go ahead, you take all your ingredients here, you put them down in your bread maker, your ice cream maker, whatever it is you're making. Take that, you close that lid down, and you just go ahead and close that drawer shut. It all soft closes like everything else. Close it shut, let the cat walk by, and you know, that's the way you do it. Then it just goes, and it goes all by itself. It's in there. It's running. It's going to take a couple hours. And then you've got nice fresh baked bread, and you can hide it in your cabinets, and you can plug it in so you can use it. Y'all have a great day. Tom Franiak, Midwest Cabinets and Design, where quality and service come first.